There is substantial evidence supporting the theory that all modern humans have a common origin in Africa, known as out of Africa theory. This evidence comes from several scientific fields. Number 1, fossil records. Fossils of early human ancestors like Homo sapiens have been found primarily in Africa, dating back about 200,000 to 300,000 years. These fossils provide physical evidence of early humans' evolution occurring on the continent. Number 2, genetic studies. Genetic analysis have shown that the greatest genetic diversity exists among African populations. This supports the idea that humans have been living in Africa the longest. And as population migrated out, they carried only a subset of that genetic diversity. Studies of mitochondrial DNA inherited from the mother and Y chromosome DNA inherited from the father both point to an African origin for modern humans. Number 3, archaeological evidence. Tools and artifacts associated with early human behavior, including stone tools, have been found in Africa, indicating that modern human culture began there. These tools later spread to other parts of the world as humans migrated. Number 4, migration patterns. Evidence suggests that humans left Africa in waves, beginning around 60,000 to 70,000 years ago. Genetic and archaeological evidence from other continents, including Asia and Europe, aligns with these migration timelines. This combination of fossil, genetic, and archaeological evidence support the view that all modern humans share a common African origin. Here are some additional lines of evidence supporting the theory that modern humans originated in Africa. Number 1, ancient DNA analysis. When modern humans left Africa, they encountered hominins like Neanderthal and Denisovans in Europe and Asia. Genetic studies shows that modern non-African populations have a small percentage, about 1 to 4% of Neanderthal DNA, suggesting that early humans interbred with these groups after leaving Africa. African populations have little to no Neanderthal DNA, which fits the idea that early humans left Africa and mixed with these groups later. Using mutation rates in DNA, scientists have been able to estimate when the most recent common ancestor of all humans lived. These estimates, based on both mitochondrial DNA and Y chromosome data, consistently points to common African ancestor roughly 150,000 to 200,000 years ago. Number 2, geographical distribution of early human fossils. Fossils of Homo sapiens and earlier human species such as Homo erectus and Homo habilis are predominantly found in Africa. Sites like Ethiopia and Morocco have yielded some of the oldest Homo sapiens fossils dating back over 200,000 years. In contrast, the early human fossils found outside Africa are much younger, around 60,000 to 70,000 years ago, aligning with the timeline of migration. Number 3, cultural and technological evidence. Some of these oldest and most primitive stone tools, dating back to 2.6 million years, and more advanced tools have been found in Africa. These early technological development occurred long before humans migrated out of Africa, further indicating that Africa was the cradle of human technological innovation. Art and symbolism. Early symbolic behavior such as the use of pigments shell beads, and carvings have been discovered at African archaeological sites. The Blombos Cave in South Africa, for example, contain artifacts showing early evidence of symbolic thinking and artistic expression dating back over 70,000 years. Number 4. Linguistic evidence. Some researchers propose that the diversity and distribution of languages also support the African origin of humans. Africa has the greatest linguistic diversity of any continent with over 2,000 languages. This is comparable to the genetic diversity seen in African populations, suggesting a long period of human development and population growth within Africa before groups migrated elsewhere. Number 5. Craniometric data. Studies of skull shapes and sizes across different populations show that African population display the greatest diversity in cranial features. This aligns with the genetic data indicating that Africa is the place of origin for anatomically modern humans. It also suggests that as humans migrated out of Africa, their physical trait became less varied due to the founder effect, where only a subset of traits is carried by migrating populations. Number 6. Climate and environmental factors. Evidence from climate models and environmental reconstructions suggest that Africa experienced favorable conditions for human evolution. For example, changes in climate during certain periods would have created lush environment, providing early humans with the resource necessary for survival and evolution. The climate and topography of Africa likely facilitated human adaptation and the development of traits like walking upright, tool use, and complex social behaviors before human expanded into less hospitable regions of the world. Number 7. Migration pattern in prehistory. Traces of ancient human migration routes have been mapped using genetic markers showing that humans left Africa through what is known as southern route, moving along coastal areas through the Arabian Peninsula and into Asia. Archaeological findings that in the Middle East, India, Southeast Asia support these migratory paths. Number 8. Comparison with other hominines. Before modern humans, earlier hominines like Homo erectus and Homo heidelbergensis also originated in Africa before spreading to other parts of the world. The presence of these hominines outside Africa further support the idea that Africa has long been a center of human evolution. All this evidence coverage to make the out of Africa hypothesis one of the most widely accepted theories in the scientific community regarding the origin of modern humans.